So the question we have here said that we should what volume of concentrated hydrochloric acid will be required to prepare 2 gm cube of 0.05 mole per gm cube of solution. We have the specific heat specific gravity of it has a specific heat gravity of 1.18, percentage purity 36%, molar mass 36.5 gram per mole. So these are the basic information we need to prepare a standard solution of hydrochloric acid. So be that we want to prepare this, the first thing we're going to do now is to find the amount, the gram that we have in the stock, the gram we're going likely to have in the stock. So since we have 1.18, it also means that in 1 cm cube of the acid, hydrochloric acid, it contains 1.18 gram of what hydrochloric acid. So now what will happen if you have 1000 cm cube bracket 1 dm cube or perhaps 1 liter of HCl. If you have 1000 cm cube of HCl, so what we get there will be 1.18 over 1 times 1000 over 1. That will give us 11800 grams. That is what we have in the gram. It means that 1000 cm cube will contain 11800 grams. So the next thing we are going to find out is the percentage purity, the mass percentage purity of this mass of HCl, that's hydrochloric acid. To calculate that now, we know that percentage purity will then be since we have 36%, that means 36 over 100 times 11 times 1180 grams. So by multiplying this now, we'll have 424.8 gram. That is the pure hydrochloric acid in this stock we're looking at is what? 424.8 grams. So the next thing we're going to find out is the amount that we have here. What will be the number of moles that we have there in this? So to get that thing done, the next thing we're going to do here is the amount of pure HCl will then be 424.8 divided by 36.5. That is the molar mass of it. So when we divide by this, we will have is equal to 11.64 approximately. That is moles. That is what we have, moles. So the next thing we are going to do here is to we use our dilution formula. Using our dilution formula, since we have been able to get the amount in the stock we're using, then using the addition formula, we know that the addition formula is where this one is equal to V1 is equal to moles, and the V2 is the volume we are looking for, and the C2 is 0.05 mole, while V2 is equal to 2000 cm cube or bracket 2 dm cube. So we are going to substitute all of them here. If we do that, we have times V1, which we don't know, times 0.0, and then times 2000. Making V1 the subject of the formula, we have over. So when we divide through, the volume will then be 8.59 cm cube. So what it means here is that if you measure out 8.59 cm cube and dissolving and make it up to 2000 cm cube, what you have there will be what? Moles. 0.05 moles of the acid. So in this case, you're making it very easy for you to, with this procedure, it makes it very easy for you to prepare a standard solution of hydrochloric acid. Thank you so much. We would like to get your comments, and then if you have not subscribed, you try as much as you can to subscribe so that you will enjoy the phone. Thank you so much.